This is an audio test of the Azden ECZ-990 shotgun microphone. It is plugged directly into the Canon EOS Rebel T3i and is suspended about 4 feet above my head, hanging from a ceiling fan. This is the Azden ECZ-990 shotgun microphone plugged directly into the Canon EOS Rebel T3i. The microphone is currently mounted directly on the camera and is sitting about 6 feet away. This is the Azden ECZ-990 shotgun microphone plugged directly into the Canon EOS Rebel T3i. The microphone is currently in my hot little hands and about a foot away from my mouth. This is the onboard microphone for the Canon EOS Rebel T3i. The camera is currently sitting about 6 feet away. This is the Azden ECZ-990 shotgun microphone plugged directly into my computer recording in Adobe Audition.